Hey everybody, this crazy storm is moving and it's not raining yet, but it's about to. Shoot, I don't think it's going to show up on my phone. The sky is just lighting up constantly, like, you know, if you flick a light switch on and off in a room, that's what it's doing. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. This is crazy. Oh. You hear the wind blowing? Oh my goodness. Something heavy's coming. On that side. Oh my. This is crazy. I don't like scary storms. Hear that thunder rumbling? Get. Okay, here comes another big heavy wind. Okay, here comes the rain. Wow, the sky is crazy. Oh. All that is just up in the clouds because I haven't seen any lightning actually hit the ground. I'm watching these clouds light up like I said, like somebody flicking a light switch on and off. That's just crazy. I don't know if you can hear the thunder rumbling, but it's rumbling every time it flashes. It's rumbling. Go in the wind. Oh my goodness. Alright, I don't know why it's electric in the clouds like that, but it's really crazy. Oh my goodness. Alright, well, I'm gonna be up late. Oh, you can hear the wind. Okay, it's getting stronger and closer. Okay, the rain's starting to come down hard. Alright, everybody. Much love and blessings. Stay safe. I don't like storms.